We've all experienced it. We've all had our moms yell at us 1,000 times. Pick up your feet. Getting into your ostentatious Jeep is never easy, and shin and paint damage is a real threat. The new TeraFlex JL and JT front and rear door sill protectors will provide traction where your Jeep really needs it. And having a little traction while standing in your open door to wash your windshield can save a painful faceplant / groin pull during vehicle entry or egress. This could happen to you. When safety and a good Jeep paint prophylactic are a must, the new TeraFlex JL and JT door protectors will step up. The added paint protection will in no way interfere with that Jeep door seal, so there's no wind noise, dirt, or sand intrusion. And your mom will be so very impressed that you were able to install them all by yourself. I can hear her now. TeraFlex, they're just always there for you.